Hi guys, I'm checking in today with you after a fantastic massage by the amazing Katie Shackles. She came over and gave massages to my mother, my sister, and I, and for us, it became a way of life when living in Thailand, where physical touch and physical care, self care, massage is just a part of life. It's just a part of maintenance and health and realizing that in the West, it is a real luxury to have that physical touch and that care and massage. And it just reminded me how much we need that just for our own health and well being, whether it's being hugged and kissed by people that you love, your friends, just having that cuddle, animals provide that for us, and that's why we love them so much, is that they're always ready for a good cuddle or just paying for somebody to give you that TLC with the physical touch. It's so healing and it's so nurturing. We need that physical element. And when I was studying body work, I was a soma neuromuscular integration therapist, and a lot of tissues would hold trapped emotion. They would hold on to tension, of course, tension, stress, pain, but also just generally memories that we might have or leftover emotions that we haven't processed would get stored up in our bodies and then released when we would have body work or do body work on somebody. So I consider physical touch and body care to be part of the healing process as well. And for some people, that might be kind of uncomfortable because you're not used to, taking your clothes off in front of somebody else or having someone that you don't know touching your body. I found that, especially men don't get that physical care and touch a lot. And so it can be really uncomfortable, but I would encourage you to jump that hurdle and allow yourself to get that nurture that you need. Find the people that are really good, who have that nurturing touch that can help you get back to health, that can help you release the stored emotions and anxiety that's being held onto in your body. It's such a wonderful gift to receive and to give to others, as we did today. We were giving each other massages. So that's why my face is so tired and relaxed, because I feel so good after getting that physical touch. It's so I hope you're all healthy and happy this holidays and getting lots of hugs and kisses from the people that you love. Bye.